In this Window Nation versus Renewal by Andersen Windows analysis video, we take a look at how Window Nation stacks up against Renewal by Andersen Windows across several important window categories, so let's get started. Number 1. Products and Services. Both Window Nation and Renewal by Andersen provide high-quality door and window replacement products. Windows from Window Nation can be used for window replacement and new construction purposes. Renewal windows are designed specifically for window replacement purposes. 2. Window types. Both Window Nation and Renewal by Andersen offer a full range of window types including awning, casement, double hung, single hung, sliding, bay, bow, and custom windows. 3. Window materials. Windows from Window Nation are available primarily in vinyl and wood. On the other hand, Renewal by Andersen windows are available exclusively in Fibrex, the company's proprietary blend of 40% wood fiber and 60% thermoplastic polymer. 4. Warranty. Window Nation offers a lifetime plus warranty across its entire Windows lineup. Renewal by Andersen windows come with a 20-year warranty covering glass and Fibrex material, 10 years coverage on hardware, and 2 years on installation. The warranty is transferable upon change of ownership for the remaining term. 5. Service area. You can purchase windows from Window Nation primarily from retail locations across the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States. Renewal by Andersen windows are available through its vast affiliate network covering most of the United States. 6. Prices. Renewal by Andersen windows prices will not only vary by size and style, but because it offers full installation service with every replacement window, the prices will always include the cost of the window plus the installation price. In general though, you can expect to pay more for Renewal by Andersen windows versus windows from Window Nation. For the best, most current pricing on replacement windows, simply click on the link in the description below for an instant Windows price quote. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.